Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use camera tracking function on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to use the camera tracking, just go to the lower bar and you can find the first button, the edit, at the lower left corner. Tap that, and here you can find the camera tracking next to the delete option. Use that, and here you can find the different option, the face, the body, or the hand camera tracking, and just select one and click to the start button, and you can apply this to your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.